Okay, are you ready? So tell me what to do. Do you want me to jump? Do you want me to run? Do you want me to walk? Jump. Good job. Here, put the turkey in. Put the turkey in. Good job. Put the little turkey in the mommy. Look, put the mommy turkey. Put it in the mommy turkey. Here, put it up there. Good job, Shayla. Okay, now what? What do you want me to do? Run. Okay, one more. Walk, 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 walk. Here. Vehicle. I act like a car. Here, put your turkey in. You're doing so good. Put your turkey in. Good job. Good job. High five, Shayla. High five, Shayla. Okay, what do I get to do next? Can you use bigger sentences? Like, you, tell me, you run or you walk.
You. Shoe. You and shoe.
You and shoe.